Need a trim tool and an 8mm socket wrench. Let's start by locating the reverse light application on the driver's side. First, open the trunk. Using the trim tool to remove the plastic frame. Remember to align the clips upon installation. Remove these two bolts using the 8mm socket wrench. Pull out the light assembly. Remember to align the clips correctly upon the installation of the light assembly. Locate the reverse light socket. Twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Disconnect the incandescent light bulb. Install the LED light bulb and test it. These 4 tabs will need to be aligned for the light socket installation. Insert the new LED bulb and twist clockwise. Reinstall the light assembly. And reattach both bolts using the 8mm socket wrench. Repeat the same steps on the passenger side, then remount the plastic frame. Push in the plastic frame until all clips snap in. Now you can see the difference between ALA Lighting LED light versus the incandescent light. ALA Lighting advanced LED lights for automotive.